Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry I have to do this. You got construction going on out back and trucks out front. So I'm going to do it this way so you guys get the earthquake reports. It is June 26, 2019. It is 12:35 in the afternoon. Here's what we've got. There was a 4.2 Komandorsky Island region at 6 miles in depth. A 4.6 Komandorsky Island at 6 miles in depth. A 3.7 Central Peru. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 France. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. Sorry. There was a 4.3 near the east coast of Kamchatka. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Papua, Indonesia at 8.0 miles in depth. There was a 2.9 Greece at, guys, I don't have my bell, I'm sorry, 0 miles in depth. A 3.6 Central Peru at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.3 Panama, Costa Rica border region. That came in at 12.4 miles in depth. Now, I've got a lot of Panamas here. I'm taking them as aftershocks. So, all right, so here we go with the rest of them. There was a 3.1 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 6.8 miles in depth. A 3.6 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 16.1 miles in depth. A 3.4 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 19.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 off the coast of Costa Rica at 9.3 miles in depth. A 3.6 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 15.5 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 9.3 miles in depth. A 2.0 Baja California border region 4 miles west-southwest of Holtville, and that came in at 6 miles in depth. That's Holtville. There was a 3.5 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 8.0 miles in depth. A 3.9 Panama, Costa Rica border region at 14.2 miles in depth. A 2.5 Utah, 17 miles south-southwest of Paris, Paris, Idaho. That came in at 1 mile in depth. A 3.1 Oklahoma, 10 miles north of McAllister, and that came in at 3 miles in depth. A 3.6 Panama, Costa Rica border region, that came in at 11.8 miles in depth. This one just occurred, a 4.1 Bali Sea at 176.4 miles in depth. And another one that just occurred was a 2.2 Nevada, 14 miles southwest of Mopapa, M-O-A-P-A, Monapa. I'm not sure, guys. Please forgive me. I am so sorry. At 5.3 miles in depth. All right, that was in Nevada. That one just happened. All links will be in the description box. You know what? You guys are so great. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right? I hope you know that. God bless everyone. Please be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Have a great afternoon. I'll be back at 5 o'clock.